I'm going to be showing you the tagging techniques that I use that led my last YouTube video to get a 30% subscriber rate. This video is going to be about tagging your YouTube videos, specifically as a small YouTuber. So I'm going to be discussing with you potentially a new theory on how to tag your YouTube videos, and we're also going to tag my latest YouTube video together. So hang out all the way to the end to get great new tagging tips, specifically for us small YouTubers. Thanks for showing up for this YouTube video on tagging your YouTube videos for small YouTubers. I know that I'm a small YouTuber who is so close to breaking that 600 subscriber mark right now, but I have learned some things about tagging. I'm going to be showing you the tagging techniques that I use that led my last YouTube video to get a 30% subscriber rate. So if you want to find out how to tag your YouTube videos so that they are landing in front of the right viewers who are going to want to subscribe to your content, then this, my friends, is the video for you. I need to start this whole tagging conversation right at the beginning. There is a couple different schools of thought when it comes to tagging videos. I don't want to go into all of that with this video because that would take forever. What I do want to let you know is my perspective is that in order to build our YouTube channels, we want to have a solid and strong subscriber base who is continually supporting us and showing up for our YouTube videos. In order to do that, the creators need to be making the content that we're passionate about and film the videos that we're inspired to create. To get more on sort of the mindset behind that, watch this video right here, where I started to talk about more the mindset of how I do that. This video is about you creating the content that you're passionate about, how to come up with tags for that video so that people are interested in the content you've made. They then fall in love with your content and choose to subscribe. The best way I can show you guys how I do this is by actually tagging a video with you. So we're going to flip over, jump on my computer, and I just filmed a video and I'm going to tag that video right now and work through the process of how I do it with you guys, and then you can take what works for you. If you get any value from this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like and comment below because that tells the algorithm this is a really good video and they should send it out to all the people. Okay, so that's what I wanted to say to get started in this video. Let's jump to my computer. Tags are really just words that you can use to describe your video so people know what your video is about. The words that you choose to use for your tags will also show up in your description box and in your title. They're also known as keywords. So when you hear people on YouTube talking about keywords and tags and titles and your description box and all of those things, I want to make this really basic for you guys and just let you know that it's actually all kind of the same thing. It's really just strong descriptive words of what your video is about. Show up where your customer is, or in this case, where your viewer is. I really took that statement to heart when I made my last live stream. I was really looking at sort of the descriptive words that they were using when they were doing searches and what was really popular with those people. And then those are the words that I chose for my last video. I am going to put a little clip of the rankings on the screen for you guys right now, but this is the difference that it made because I shifted my mindset to show up where my viewer is. And this video actually got 25 subscribers in the first 24 hours of it being released. So really great for me as a small YouTuber. I'm really happy with it. So I'm going to show you how I did that. Use TubeBuddy. You're seeing it right here on the screen. There's a link in the description box down below, my affiliate link for TubeBuddy. So if you haven't loaded TubeBuddy and you haven't tried it yet, I'd really appreciate if you'd consider clicking on my affiliate link down below because it does help support me and my channel. So I appreciate if you consider doing that. I actually use the pro version of TubeBuddy, which cost me $45 for the year. You're seeing it here, and this is a major part of my tagging process. So if you don't have that, grab it. Two things I do to find out where my viewer is looking right now. The first one is I just do a super simple search. So because it's a creme de la mer unboxing, kind of review-ish video, I simply just type in my main word, which is creme de la mer. Let me interrupt this video to talk to you about seed topics. C topics are the core topic of your YouTube video. In this case, the C topic of the video we are tagging is creme de la mer. It's simple and to the point. The very basic building block of the YouTube video that we are tagging is creme de la mer. Then you have subtopics. These are the additional topics that build on top of your C topic. So for this video, it is unboxing, how to use, and kind of a review. So let's go back to my computer. The C topic of this video is creme de la mer. Put that into YouTube first, and then I check over at my TubeBuddy to see what are the related searches for creme de la mer as I'm using it in my video. It's gonna help me come up with my subtopics for my C topic. I would select probably creme de la mer review. I don't see anything else there. Because it is an unboxing video, a bit of a review, but I'm also going to choose creme de la mer application, creme de la mer how to apply. So once I sort of have some of those ideas, I use my notepad on my computer. I'm actually gonna do this, you guys, so I might end up skipping you forward, but I do need to tag this video, so we're doing it together. I noticed that I hadn't thought of before, and this is really that piece of showing up where your viewer is looking. And it looks like what people are asking is over 50 skincare, mature skincare, luxury beauty. So these are not keywords or tags that I probably would have thought of on my own, but it does actually land where my viewer, my ideal viewer is. And those people are more likely to subscribe to my channel because I'm delivering that ideal viewer the information that they need. So and now at this point, you guys, I really just play around with TubeBuddy and I play around with YouTube, and I'm trying to really find the sweet spot where it's a high search volume as well as a low competition. Usually just jump back and forth and look at some of these other words that are here. Luxury skincare, I think I could still look into that one. It's not a before and after video, it's just, so let's try something else. Might have found a sweet spot with this video and coming up with some tag words. So I do really like where my customer is at, which is luxury skincare. Creme de la mer is definitely luxury skincare. Skincare over 40 and unboxing. So let me break this down for you guys right here on my screen to show you how I sort of come up with my really core tags. So my seed topic, like I said before, is creme de la. There is lots of people looking for it in search ranking, so that's going to be my seed topic, and I am going to use that group of words as much as possible. Now, because I've done my research with TubeBuddy, I have little, let's call them sub-seeds, just to kind of keep it going. So my sub-seed topics are, that's going to make more sense. What my viewer is looking for or has been searching is luxury skincare and skincare over 40. So getting my video to show up where people are looking, and then it's also La Mer unboxing and La Mer application. Mer skincare worth it. Let's look at that and see where it comes up on TubeBuddy. I'm gonna add that in to my notes as one of my subtopics, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I do next. So now that I know my C topic and I've done some sub-C topics based off of where I think my ideal customer is looking, now I'm gonna come up with the title of my video, and I'm going to try to hit as much of these kind of points as possible. So my title is going to be, so I'm starting with the tag that has the most searches. And I'm going to use those same words again because I'm going to say La Mer, which is also how people look for it. Unboxing, no, Then I'm starting with the next most popular word, which is application. Actually, I just noticed digging around because I simply typed in that short form, the hyphenated version of creme de la mer. So what comes up here is creme de la mer skincare, creme de la mer review, creme de la mer worth it. These are all the things that people are looking for when they're looking for La Mer. So I'm gonna actually use La Mer skincare, review, worth it, and cream because those all relate back to my video. Like I said, when I found really good tags, I am just actually making a tag list live right here. So I'm gonna click this, skincare review, worth it, cream. So then I might just dig around a little tiny bit more to see what else comes up. And I'm just going to continue on, you guys. I'm going to make sure that all the variations of my sub-C topics are in here as much as possible. So that's how I'm doing my tags. But for my title, I'm gonna do creme de la mer, C topic, La Mer, C topic, lots of search volume. And I'm gonna throw in my over 40 skincare favorites. Why are you doing that, Liz? I'm gonna tell you. I am actually going to put a link for you guys down below from Think with Google, and it's actually the director of marketing, I believe. I had to go back and double check. It's actually the head of research for Google. And he says that all searches start with one of 6 intentions. It's either to, I'm gonna read off my note card, thrill, impress, educate, reassure, help, or surprise. And by adding my over 40 skincare favorites, I'm tapping into their need of help and reassurance. So that is putting in my title a bunch of keywords: creme de la mer, La Mer, La Mer application, La Mer unboxing, La Mer free samples, which is also gonna, I think, make people curious. My over 40 skincare favorites, over 40 skincare, so lots of things to make me come up in search, and lots of tags. I have my title worked out. I have my tags for this video worked out right here. Now for my description on my video, I am going to use as many of these tag words as I can, as many times as I can. So when people are deciding what video they're gonna indefinitely click, yes, we know that thumbnails are really super important. Also, what people see is they see your title and they see the first 2.5 sentences pretty consistently of what is in your description box. We want to make sure that if we go back to our notes, so I just cut and paste this stuff into my YouTube when I load my video. So for my description, my first 2.5 sentences really need to be impactful. That's that, you guys. The shout out for this video is going to be Plan, Prep, Pray. This is Wendy's page. You're seeing it on the screen now. This video that she made right here, I think is so important and so critical for this time. And so I wanted to give her a shout out and tell everybody about this wonderful video that she made. So if you know any moms in your life, you might want to forward this on to them as well. Again, thank you so much for being here. I couldn't be doing this, living my absolute dream. I love making these videos for you guys without you. And I'll talk to you again soon.